University. Everything looks fine and dandy. I'm now gonna head down.
Holy cow.
Okay, thank you. And remember, I'm going to need major cross streets when you do submit a report. Thank you.
Yes, sir, I apologize for not having the cross street. Oscar, Papa.
Go ahead, Ken.
Guy, now that it's settled down a little bit, I was coming up Fort Worth in the middle of this stuff. I don't know if it's in your area. I-35 northbound feeder at the mile marker 62. I don't remember what the cross street was. The power pole that was blown towards the east. They're about 30 degrees to the ground. They are blown out into a field though. They're not broken, or they're not completely down, and the power lines aren't on the ground. But you might report that to April 40. Around the 64 mile mark, coming north still, a large, probably 15 by 15 sign on two I-beams has been blown over. That's what I saw. Mom. Thank you, Ken. Appreciate it.
What's that, dude?
Did it blow hard enough for you?
Go ahead, Ron.
I lost both big maples in my backyard.
Both of them?
Our yard's a total tree. Total tree. This house right here.
Oh, in the backyard?
Yeah, that's all it is, a tree. The neighbor's tree fell on the fence, hit our tree. Fun game.
Oh, it's coming up north on 2499, and there's a road, but just south of 3040, 6 or 7 telephone poles snapped. Just snapped like toothpicks. I swung by, you know where Rockledge Park is, kind of before you get to Grapevine Mills, offside there. I drove through there. I mean, it looks like a bomb went off. I mean, they have, 12, 14-inch tree trunks that broke through. That's over at Rockledge Park. I mean, and in fact, there's a Fort Worth communications tower. It took damage. There's a bunch of metal and stuff hanging off it. Some of the antennas at the top are all tweaked.
Yeah, we lost our phone about 10 minutes into it.
So it looks like everybody around here has power. I had a power failure. I was actually down in Irving, and they started sounding tornado sirens and stuff.
Things coming off.
I already lost the one on the other side because the edge was freaking wrinkled the way it's stashed in the seat pocket. So I'm just running around now doing damage assessments.
A pine tree blocking Morris Road. The cops got it blocked off.
Yeah, I saw that. It took out power to that whole other side of Morris.
Okay, so 137 Lakeview, you got a car traffic.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Summer, there seems to be some confusion, and I don't know this. You probably answered or dispatch would know. Not sure if that is the Flower Mound side or if that is the Louisville side of Collins. Okay, copy that, thank you. AC5 to join and control Denton County Skywarn. That's all it is on the okay, got it, Greg and Jason, thank you. AC5T, AC5T go. Standing down this time. Thanks, Liz. Go ahead, Greg.
Just a reminder to all our operators, and no one else seems to know, if you come to a signal light that is not working, that is an automatic stop sign. Noticing a lot of people, not necessarily us, but people all around, apparently have problems. That's just how they work.
Go ahead, Link. Gotta have to operate with a pretty good up this way. Do you have anything you need to paradise that anywhere over? You can go ahead and start heading back to the house. Thank you. So there's my now. AX5 go.
I am at 1700. There are 2 light poles down and not hindering traffic. And also there's a large, probably 7 to 8 branch of a tree that has fallen into a house.
Okay, I got 1700 block. I need the street. Then I want to report about the hail damage. Then we'll get to those poles. Give me the street and the house again.
The street is on Roller and Timber Creek, and it's the 1700 block of Timber. 7 to 8 inches in diameter.
Okay, now you had a report of poles down. Were those utility poles? And I understand they're not blocking the road, but you said you were reporting utility poles down?
There's 2 or 3 I couldn't really tell that were down, but they were not blocking traffic.
Same neighborhood?
That's right. It was right before the 1700 block that was on Timber Creek.
Okay, copy that. Thank you. K5DH. Go ahead, D. Now I'm in my driveway, and I'll give you a final report. Lake Dallas, Shady Shores Road, just north of Overly Drive. There were 2 large trees. Okay, let me know what you're running into, Andy. KOS, I think it was. Go ahead. That's Andy. There was another station in there with Andy. Go ahead. Go ahead, Eric. Yeah, was that out in Robeson Ranch, Mike's report? QSL. Can I get an address? ZCA, have you got an address on the house that has the framing damage? Negative, I didn't pick it up. It's off of Michelle Way, down in the bottom area of the new section. Same place where the tree was. And the signs were up off of Robeson Ranch, at Robeson Boulevard, the main route through. They just blew the actual street signs off the top of the pole. Received. K5 MQQ. K5 DCA clear. Scan 5 API. 32 Robert. All these 3 will be on Robert Street. It's filling up the whole backyard.
June 11th, 2009. Just taking some video footage. What's left of a house and antennas and everything else after the storm that blew through. Got a lot of traffic on Buckeye Drive today because they've closed down Morris. They could put back some power or restore some power lines. Got a couple of stuck limbs there. .5-mile-an-hour straight line winds. Take a look at my Force 12 5BA. One bent element there, and I noticed this morning another one got bent. Other than that, the thing's still standing. A lot of debris. Over here across the street, 1708 Buckeye. Gently pan in. It actually, Mark Ward, whatever his name is, let's see, had a chimney cap up there at one time. Looking at weather radar earlier, there's nothing in the county. I still see stuff off to the west or off to the east. I can just see the sheer amount of destruction in the neighborhood. I mean, there's nobody in this my next door neighbor, let me blow this back out. This tree's just fucked. You know, there was a crackhead down the street with a pit bull. Came down and chewed the bottom off of one of the stumps, and he had to saw off one of the parts of his tree, which had it was like a 4-trunk tree. You can see over here with the damage done by this pit bull. This tree's done. It's absolutely done. I just don't see this one coming back. He's gonna have to get a crew out here because all this debris laying in his yard and my yard. Well, that's all his laying on my property. He's gonna have to do something about that. My chimney cap actually moved. Sexy Colleen. Used to be part of my fan club. What happened to her anyway? You get a ladder up there and restore my chimney cap. And restore my closed circuit video camera, which I think actually is defective. I might need just to go ahead and take it down. Just go ahead and end this one.